the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the captain. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever. Watching you sit there with our best friends at the wedding.
Sometimes I want to pack up all my things and move away. Paris, London, maybe even LA. But it's not far enough, far enough, far enough for me. Yeah, it gets kinda tough, kinda tough, kinda tough. I just can't deal with them, deal with them, deal with them. Sometimes I just get too annoyed, too annoyed, too annoyed. Sometimes. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's gotta be life in some other galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Dark 361 they wouldn't break. Maybe they'd break my bones, maybe they'd turn me into stone. But maybe I'd find a new home, and maybe I'd never be alone anymore. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's gotta be life in another galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Dark 361, they wouldn't break my heart. They wouldn't break my heart. They wouldn't break my heart. My heart. They wouldn't break my heart.
You will be just fine in the summertime. And it's such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bado niko na homa. So I haven't vlogged this whole week. I've been kind of busy. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday and I want to undo my hair. I have an appointment tomorrow at 2. I'm just praying that I'm able to finish undoing this hair because I'm already tired. It's like it's 11:54 a.m. almost 12. Yeah, so I'm just going to undo it and then wash it. I'm praying that my hairline is still there because I'm still going to do knotless. I'm just praying that hairline bado iko it's still there. Maybe katika kiasi that not a big issue, it's not a big deal. My nails have just been breaking. Hii imevunjika. This one broke the other day. I think you saw in this one. I'm not going back to this nail parlor because I'm not understanding how my nails are just breaking, and I put overlays. Niliweka overlays ndio excuse me. Niliweka overlays ndio to strengthen my nails because I've been putting tips for a very long time, so my nails became so weak. So nikasema, since my nails are so weak, let me do overlays to strengthen them. And I asked that lady, for sure they won't break? And yeah, they won't break. Yeah, because this one is still painful. This one broke so painfully on Monday night. I didn't vlog it. I didn't take any videos. I was supposed to, but I forgot. So that is basically, I hope you guys can hear me. So let me just finish undoing my hair, and then yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I'm done.
The stars align, 'cause you are mine, and you satisfy me. And you satisfy me. And you satisfy. Ain't no games, and I know you want it. 'Cause I'm always honest in my veins, and I can't control it. 'Cause you are flawless, but you act so modest. You're always so cautious. satisfied.
Oh my god, I look crazy. I look like a mad woman. This is what is left. I'm done on this side, and the back. I'm done. So I was just watching Arrow na imefika part yenye yo siradi anything sielewi. It's just too complicated. You know the way Arrow is mixed up with some other movies. There's The Flash, there's Supergirl. Now if police, I'm not even understanding what I'm watching. Anyways, I'm so tired. I'm tired and I need to finish and doing this here and wash it. But I don't think I'm gonna wash it today. I'll wash it tomorrow. Rather. Yeah. When I develop tonsils. Anyways, that is the update. So I'll update you guys when I'm done. The next update is when I'm done. I've really tried. I'm so tired. But yeah. Let's talk like after like let me after the situation is maybe I'll be done in 30 minutes. Yeah, let me say in the next 30 minutes. It's currently 4:02 p.m. So maybe at 4:35, 4:40 I'll be done. It's the money cousin corner. But anyway, that is the only update I wanted to update you guys on, and I'm so hungry. I need to find something to eat. And I'll do that after Amma. I have bread.
Yeah, we got milestones and tombstones when I say goodbye to my bros. Say goodbye to my hoes. When I say goodbye to my y'all ain't really outside, it's a shame, man, and it shows. But I save them all on my soul. But I save them all on my, Beyond special, grandma went back to Southside. I'm showing my love on my downtime. Hope auntie right with you, it's about time to pray one more again. I can't save all my friends, we don't break, we might bend. But you stay on my mind. Some just stayed on the block, some made it to the top. Glass plates on the top shelf, I'm missing the health, like when will it stop? I ain't Magneto, metal stuck with me. I ain't Gambino, US fuck with me, cause they stuck with me. Took a little while to get the bucks with me, now it's upticking, give me a break. I don't wanna fall like this, y'all ain't killing my shine. I ain't wanna ball like this, but I look for my side. Get it with draws like this, every time I get high. I would never call like this, even when I see you die. Yeah, we got milestones and tombstones when I say goodbye to my bros. Say goodbye to my hoes. When I say goodbye to my, y'all ain't really outside, it's a shame, man, and it shows. But I save them all on my soul. But I save them all on my, I'm all invested, my suit invest, got soap from all the tears. It's all impression, my God is questioning me for all these years. I guess it's karma, called Dalai Lama to save me from my fears. I can't take it, I'm falling dear. Drinks to you, let's just do us. You can't hold me up if you ain't hold me down. Funny people acting, they don't know you now. But we never change, and I know this now. I seen people leave, I just swearing vows. It's a winter town, in the go. Nick of time like Mr. Rose. Anytime I'll give and go. When I'm safe in my digital. I don't wanna fall like this, y'all ain't killing my shine. I ain't wanna ball like this, but I look for my side. Get it with draws like this, every time I get high. I would never call like this, even when I see you die. Yeah, we got milestones and tombstones when I say goodbye to my bros. Say goodbye to my hoes. When I say goodbye to my, y'all ain't really outside, it's a shame, man, and it shows. But I save them all on my soul. But I save them all on my, Yeah, we got milestones and tombstones when I say goodbye to my bros. Say goodbye to my hoes. When I say goodbye to my, y'all ain't really outside, it's a shame, man, and it shows. But I save them all on my soul. But I save them all on my,
Early Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go.
We've been realist. Enough to be the right to go. Ain't nobody fine like you.
Girl, I'm really one for you. Nobody can tell me. Everybody knows me. I'm on the other day.
Hey, that's a fat face.
Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. So I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Your mama boy, you want better. You mama come from what you need. Can I get that back in wetter?
'Cause with you I feel alive.
Who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's